Man PVZ. I made you as Keith. Yeah, Keith. That's right. Keith the character. So, that's right. How did I do that? How did I take the chance to do it? Well, I was scrolling through the internet. Anyways, enough chit chat. Until I found the video of the contest theme. So yeah, it is child friendly. It is for children. It has the theme, and yeah, I did all those rules you had. Anyways, yeah, this is you. Okay, so this is you as Keith with plain, and this is you as Keith without plain. So yeah, so it says Chicken Man PVZ in an FNF. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you're Chicken Man PVZ, hope I win. Fingers crossed.